शुक्रगुजार हूँ। मैं अपनी पार्टी के चेयरमैन बिलावल भुट्टो ज़रदारी, प्रेसिडेंट आसिफ अली ज़रदारी और पार्टी की सीनियर दीगर कायदीन को शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहती हूँ। ख़ास तौर पर नवाब शाह की अवाम और पीपल्स पार्टी के वर्कर्स की शुक्रगुजार हूँ जिन्होंने मुझे नुमाइंदगी का मौका दिया। Mr. Speaker, today we find ourselves in yet another challenging situation, as this year the government presents its budget at a time when the country is facing unprecedented unemployment, inflation, poverty, climate change, and other catastrophes. We all, as citizens of this fine country, had hopes and aspirations for this budget. We envisioned a budget, Mr. Speaker, that had at its core the needs of the people of Pakistan. A budget prioritizing the welfare of our farmers, our laborers, our working class. A budget that did not seek to benefit large corporations at the expense of the most vulnerable in our society. A budget which provided relief and redirected subsidies to the poor, to the farmers, to the laborers, to the working class. A budget that did not wish to make the rich richer and the poor poorer. A budget which sought to lessen the gap of wealth inequality. I ask you, Mr. Speaker, the budget is sitting before you. Do you think that these objectives have been raised in this budget? Do you think this is the budget that the people of Pakistan deserve? The people of Pakistan deserve better, Mr. Speaker, and we must work together to do better for our citizens. In his recent address to Parliament, the Honourable President of Pakistan spoke on unity, and absolutely that is the need of the hour. At a time when divisive politics threatens to harm our nation, at a time when people are polarized in their ideals, beliefs, and in actions, when differences are weaponized and disagreements settled with violence, it is imperative that we as elected members of this House rise above. Words like tolerance, acceptance must not be limited to speeches alone. We must practice what we attempt to preach, Mr. Speaker, and together we must reject these divisive politics. We must instead come together for the people and base our policies on their needs. Together we have to find a way to give relief to the people who are suffering 15 hours a day without electricity in this sweltering heat. गर्मी की शिद्दत में 15 से 20 घंटे के लोड शेडिंग अजाब है, Mr. Speaker. We must find ways to help the farmer who nurtures his crop only to lose it in the floods, who can't find a buyer even when he does have a harvest. हमें किसान को मजबूत करना होगा, Mr. Speaker. हमें उस किसान को सहारा देना होगा जिससे कभी सैलाब का सामना है, कभी तूफान का और कभी गंदम इंपोर्ट करने गलत फैसले का. We must find ways to help the blue-collar workers who have no job security. We must find ways to develop our human capital. We must find ways to provide relief directly to the poorest of the poor of this country. Only then, Mr. Speaker, will we be doing justice to the work for which we have been elected for. I hope, Mr. Speaker, that we are able to see a new age in politics. I hope for a new beginning, one that allows us to work together for the prosperity and progress of our country and its citizens. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
मज़ीद हालात हाज़रा से बाखबर रहने के लिए हमारे चैनल iPoint TV को सब्सक्राइब करें।